This 1105 North Q Street. We're asking $12,000. The mobile home is not livable, but the land goes with it. It's a large lot, and the mobile home needs a complete redo, but it is structurally sound. So you can see it's a large lot. It is overgrown, but it's not in too bad a shape. That's not a board, that's some kind of screen up over that window. So we'll step on up in here and see what we got. So as you can see, it needs a complete new kitchen. There are cabinets in here, but they should probably be redone. Renting area for this probably be in the 600, 650 range. The flooring, for the most part, is solid. But it needs work. 1105 North Q Street. That's not mold up there. It's just where they did not paint. I don't know that the heater works or not. Can't hardly see it. It's rather dark in here. It does have plumbing fixtures for the washer. I don't see any dryer outlet wiring, so possibly doesn't have, it's not wired for the dryer. Like I said, it needs to be completely redone. Probably reuse the tub, the toilet, the sink. I put a new vanity in. This room here, the flooring in here is rather questionable, but once again, I don't see any signs of leakage. So the roof on it's good. Like I said, structurally, it's sound. I would say that it probably, just from the look of it, it probably needs new flooring in here. But all the wiring's still intact. It's just been sitting. Looks like it's been gone through pretty well and robbed. So we'll go back out here. The windows, the living room windows need to be replaced. But structurally sound. 2 bedrooms. I think it's 14 by 60. Don't quote me on that. That's what I think. 14 by 60. Might looks a little bit longer than that. I'll have to get you some year and all that stuff, and that'll be in the package that goes with this video. All right, that's what we got.